Honey, there's a Stiles here to see you.
What the hell is a Stiles?
You probably don't remember me. I sit behind you in biology.
What are you doing here?
I just want to make sure you got in okay. Lydia, come.
Just go away.
What's wrong?
Look, I don't need anyone seeing me cry.
Orange and blue, not a good combination.
Sometimes there's other things you wouldn't think would be a good combination end up turning out to be like a perfect combination, you know? Like two people together. Look, you shouldn't care if people see you cry, all right?
Why?
Because I think you look really beautiful when you cry.
You don't need them because you are too smart to waste your time with them, okay?
You don't care about getting hurt. But you know how I'll feel? I'll be devastated. And if you die, I will literally go out of my freaking mind. Lydia? Lydia?
I'm broken and I'm bad.